guys, it's Lawrence from China Pacific. Today to show you the Jeanneau Cap Camarat 9.0 center console. We have a gate here to protect your kids or pets from going out. Over here we have a very open area. We have the area. We have our table here, which can also be lifted out to provide extra space here. So it fits 3 people comfortably, or 4 people over here. We can also pull out the bench and on the other side. So you have a full U-shaped area. So when you're on the beach like today, you can enjoy the outdoor space. In addition, when you're at the beach, you'll notice that we have a beautiful canopy over above us to provide sun protection. And another very innovative feature about the Cap Camarat 9.0 is this galley area, where when you've anchored, you can really utilize the space out here. It becomes a whole area for you to enjoy food and drinks with your friends and family, and it's very versatile. You can already imagine yourself being out here on the beach with the stove top here if you want, and then also a fridge. So sufficient for you to put your food and drinks for the day. We also have more storage. More storage underneath here. So you put more of your gear in here. And what's quite important is, as you know, when you go out doing water sports after, or when you've done cooking or eating, it's very important to have your sink. So there's a sink over here as well. So here, this table is telescopic as well, and it could be lowered down to become a sunbed area here. Yeah, so all of this space is very versatile, and Jeanneau is very innovative in their use of space. Under this table is additional storage space. So a lot of times when you have water sports equipment, etc., or life jackets, so plenty of space. For some options, if you want, you can always add a generator in here as well, as an option. But this storage space is plenty of space for you to use for your water sports equipment, life jackets, etc. Then moving up forward, we have the helm station. So beautiful wheel, Suzuki throttles, Garmin display, 9-inch Garmin display, perfect for you to use for navigation and also fishing. So here's the VHF, and then also the Suzuki displays. We have electric start for the engines. We have trim tabs and our bow thruster on the other side. So all of this equipment makes boating very easy. One, you have your 2 engines, so that you can really pivot around with the 2 engines. And then with the bow thruster, it makes docking much more easy. Another good feature about the Cap Camarat 9.0 is the T-top. It has the sliding canopy back here. That days out in Hong Kong where it's really hot and sunny, so it provides plenty of protection. Other innovative features are some more storage space up here. So if you have any other equipment you want to put, you can put up here. Speakers, Fusion speakers. Before we even go further up, I can show you some of the extra storage space for you. For those that have that play water sports or go fishing, you can put your rods or other equipment on either side. So there's one side for equipment over here, and then on the port side, we have nets for you to put your other kind of equipment or shoes, etc. As we walk forward, you'll notice that the walkway is very wide and the gunwales are very high, so it's very safe for families, little children to go out to see. We just set up the sunshade in the front cockpit sunshade. It's a very easy option to add, and it really changes and transforms the space out here. You can actually use the space, it's not as hot, even on a hot summer day. Plenty of shade, plenty of wind. It makes this space easy to use and fun to use. We have a very open space, so we have the area, the aft area, we can do one space, and up front here is another great space to utilize. We have the U-shaped cushions, and also a cushion right behind you, and also a table, so that you can really enjoy all parts of the boat when you're anchored by a beach. You'll also notice that this table itself could be removed, and later you can add another support down here, and this whole thing can become a sunbed. Further up front, we have the anchor. So standard anchor equipment, anchor windlass, controls, and also there's also the controls at the helm station as well. Another feature of this boat is the fact that we can access the cabin inside from out here, so it makes it much more easier to put your cushions or equipment into the cabin when you don't need it. So we're going to that again. So this is the cabin in the Cap Camarat 9.0 center console. You can see that it fits one or two people on the bed, which is more than enough for a day cruise or a weekend. What we've done here is also opened up the hatch so that there's plenty of ventilation to go through and plenty of light to go through. So this space, one thing Jeanneau does a very good job is at providing lots of storage space. So as you can see here, extra storage space for all the other equipment you need. On either side, we also have extra cupboards for all of your glassware or even cutlery. And even more storage as we move forward. So we all know on a boat, storage is key, and Jeanneau does a very good job of that. Even on this side, you can see there's more areas for you to put magazines or other equipment to here. And looking back, the Fusion stereo is all over here at the moment. Moving in to the head, we have a full-size head where a person like me, myself, I can stand up here. We have a marine toilet. And also the shower for you to shower if you need, and also plenty of storage space for tissues or shower equipment, shower gels, etc. all in here, or also on the side as well. So for both the sides, this is a great head. it.